it's Bunny Brown here, and today I got a bunch of toys at Toys R Us that are unopened, and I'm going to have to do separate videos for each of them, but today, in this video, I'm going to be opening the Mommy and Baby series elephant with the bottle, and these are all the ones that you can collect on the back. These are the old style bobbleheads. See, your head is bobbling. And you can only get it at Toys R Us, I believe. Unless you can get it on eBay or something like that. I'd be surprised if you found it anywhere else. Okay. Oh, I see. So the mommy is all strapped in there. It's kind of hard to get out. Okay, so I got her. I think, yeah. So this is the mommy. She has a bow in her hair, or on her ear. Cute little tail, and there's the LPS logo. Then here is her baby. And she comes with a baby bottle, so you can feed her. And I was super surprised when I found these. Okay, so since that was a small thing, I'm going to open up something else a little bigger, so this video isn't just 1 minute or something. This Minecraft. So this is the Steve with an apple and a horse and the hay bale. This is a series 2. It looks like a 5 to me because the camera's backwards. And this is the Overworld Steve and horse. So let's open it. So as you guys know, I usually open things that are off, or I usually do reviews on things that are already opened. But today, it is different. Okay, so here's what the box packaging looks like in the back. If you want to pause it and read it, I'll zoom in for you. There. Okay. So, I'm going to untape the apple, because the apple has tape over it so it won't fall out. And the Ugly's Pet Shop is out now. I saw a big, giant aisle of it when I was there. Okay, so here's the apple. Okay, here is the hay bale. It looks like what you would find in the actual game. Then we have Steve. And the thing I was most excited about this set, the horse. Okay, so here's the horse. And I was excited about the horse for a couple of reasons. The first reason is because if you sit Steve down, Steve can ride the horse. And I don't have any animals of Minecraft yet. And you can also use it as an untamed horse, because you can take off the saddle and take off the headpiece, I think. Okay, no, you cannot take off the headpiece, but the head moves up and down like that. And the tail moves like that. I'm gonna put the saddle back on. Okay. Then the horse's legs, they like can kick up like that. Okay, so I can do that. And yeah. So I'll show you guys everything we got. Just a second. Okay, so first thing we opened was the mommies. Here's the mommy. And let me show you her without her ear thingy. And I bet I can put it around the baby's neck. So it can be like a bow.